Hi, my name is John Dario. I've been involved in retail management for the past 30 plus years. And after decades of experience running all types of retail businesses, I decided that I wanted to share the secrets of my success with as many people as I possibly could. So I made the decision to write and publish books on various aspects of retail leadership. The concepts in this book have helped me to achieve the high level of success I now enjoy in my retail career. But the book itself has given me the platform to be able to spread my ideas and share them with audiences that I otherwise wouldn't have access to. Because of my books, I've earned speaking engagements at national conferences, and I've gotten opportunities to participate in industry discussions and projects. All of this has given me the chance to acquire clients for my consulting business, and it's given me credibility as a leader in the world of retail management. Perhaps most importantly, the opportunity to write and publish books has allowed me to give back to others some of the tremendous lessons I've learned from the many great teachers I've had throughout my career. It's critically important for those with experience to write books so others can learn. There's just not enough time devoted to skill development at most companies, and that means that employees are forced to learn much more about leadership on their own. Books are the way that knowledge and experience can be passed on from generation to generation. But it's not easy to write and publish a book. It's a big step to go from acquiring knowledge and experience to actually putting it into a format that's logical and understandable for others to learn from. And that's just the writing part. All of the other aspects of publishing a book are even more foreign to the typical person. It's difficult to know where to start with things like cover artwork, editing, and actually making a title available for sale. That's where the Books Factory comes in. The Books Factory is helping people turn ideas into books with their done-for-you publishing service. Entrepreneurs, professionals, and experts often don't have the time or the right skill set to write a professional-looking book. The Books Factory done-for-you service takes care of all of that. They write the book, they edit it, they design it, they create the cover, and they publish it in both paperback and ebook versions. Then they take the extra steps to market the book and help it to get those all-important online reviews. The Books Factory successfully got my book publicized on hundreds of media sites, and that resulted in clear upticks in visits to my website. With the Books Factory done-for-you service, professionals can leverage their knowledge and their experience to become true authorities and respected voices in their industry.